What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can make an easy $2K per month. We're starting right now. Hey guys, I go by the name of John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, and passive income. So if any of those topics interest you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, so in this video today, I'm actually going to pop out of the camera for a second, and I'm going to actually jump on my iPad, and I'm going to kind of sketch out some concepts and do some teachings in regards to how you can actually start earning a easy $2K per month. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to jump right into the iPad video training, and we're going to just get started right away. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. And what we're going to be talking about today is how can you make an easy $2K per month, right? So that is going to be what we're going to be talking about and training on today. And I want to go ahead and, just be upfront with you guys and say that, I'm not great with this whole pen and iPad thing. So if it kind of looks like chicken scratch, you just have to bear with me and just get the training and the message in what we're discussing today. So I'm not very nice when it comes to this little iPad and pen. So let's go and get started. So what we are going to be talking about, how to make 2K per month the easy way, right? So basically this is you, right? And where you are at today is $0 per month, right? And where you want to get to is you want to get to where you're earning, 2K per month, right? So the goal is to take you from $0, right? And to get you to where you are here and you're making this 2K per month. So what I want you guys to understand is that the only thing that's stopping you from getting to this 2K per month is education. So that is the main thing that is stopping you from going from $0 to $2,000 per month, because there's a few things that you need to know in between here in this process here, right? That can get you to this $2,000 per month. And that's what we really want to talk about here today. So let's kind of continue on. So what you need to first do is, if you're trying to generate 2K per month, everything is going to start off with traffic first and foremost, right? So you're going to have to, master traffic. So you have to determine if you're going to be going the pay route or the free route. So the pay route, you're going to be doing stuff like, PPC. You could be doing Facebook ads. You can be doing solo ads. Or you can be doing banner ads, right? So these are just different, paid traffic strategies that you can be deploying in your actual business. Or you can be doing some free traffic strategies where you can be doing like blogging. You can create a YouTube channel. You can be doing Instagram. Or you can be doing like forum marketing. So these are just some examples of different marketing outlets that you guys can, try. So you can actually be doing some paid stuff, some PPC, some Facebook ads, some solo ads, some banner ads, or you can be going ahead and doing some free traffic strategies. So what I would suggest to you if you're just starting out is you need to pick one paid traffic strategy, whether that's going to be blogging or YouTubing or doing Instagram or even forum marketing. So you're going to select one of these. So select one and implement that strategy every single week. So if you're going to have blogging, you need to create a blog and you need to be creating blog posts every single week. So that's going to be like you trying to get organic traffic to your website or to your sales funnel every single week. So what do you need to actually do that? You need to purchase a course, more than likely. You need to be doing some research. Maybe you're going to be watching YouTube videos, whatever the case may be. I suggest that you actually purchase a course and kind of go through a course succinctly so that you actually learn how to set up your blog properly and do keyword research properly and do backlinking properly. There's a lot of information out there, but no one's going to make you do this. You have to do this yourself, and you have to take the time to learn and perfect this strategy. The same thing with YouTube or Instagram or forum marketing. I also suggest that you pick one paid traffic strategy. So if you have some additional funds to put into your business, maybe you want to learn Facebook ads, right? So then you would go through and you would learn Facebook ads. You can there's plenty of courses out there on Facebook, so you can find out how to do some Facebook. So even if you don't have a lot of money to invest into your business right away, maybe you can start off with a very small budget of just like $100 a month or $50 a month, whatever it is. You can start investing something to get traffic to your website. The problem is, a lot of people don't want to take the time to learn a paid traffic strategy. A lot of people, give up on the free traffic strategy because they feel like it's taking too long. They're not getting the results that they want, and then they just give up. So that's problem number one. So make sure that if you're trying to get to the 2K per month, that you have to, learn how to get traffic. Learn how to get traffic. And keep in mind, guys, this is going to be a gradual learning thing. So you're not just going to start YouTubing and learn how to YouTube, like right away. This is something that you're going to be doing, ongoing, and you're going to be learning through the process. But as time goes on, you're going to be perfecting, these different methods, these different strategies, and it's just going to be bringing you, a lot more traffic, just like, the paid traffic strategy. So, we have traffic. So let's go ahead and look back at our little diagram here. So you're going to want to learn traffic. So this is going to be traffic right here. And so we already talked about what you need to do in order to get traffic. And then that's going to lead you to what we call an opt-in page. So this is where you're basically going to collect an email or name and email address, and you're going to be giving something away for free of value. So this is what we call a lead magnet, right? So we're going to be giving away a lead magnet, and this is going to be something that we're going to give away here on our squeeze page to these people here. So to these people here, because we're going to be driving traffic, right? We're going to be driving traffic from our multiple sources. So when that traffic is coming in, we're going to lead those traffics to our squeeze page, in which we're going to have a lead magnet, right? So our lead magnet is going to be down here, and we're going to give them this lead magnet as something of value to help them solve a problem or get them closer to a desired result. So if they want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, or they're interested in affiliate marketing, you can have a free report. You can have a video series talking about how you start an affiliate marketing business, the tools, the resources, how do you find networks, how do you get traffic, all of these different components that comes in with, trying to be an affiliate marketer. You can, give away a lead magnet here to these individuals about how to do whatever you are trying to essentially sell. So once these people opt in, of course, they're going to go to what we call, a sales page. And so this is going to be the sales page here. And here's the important thing, guys. So, ultimately our goal is to, get to 2K per month, right? So if that's the ultimate goal, what we really want to be doing here on this sales page is we want to be selling something that is going to bring us a commission of somewhere between, $500 per sale to $1,000 per sale. So that simply means that if I want to make 2K per month, if my goal is to make 2K per month, I only need to generate, here at $500, I only need to generate 4 sales. And here, I only need to generate 2 sales, right? So when you actually think about it in this terms, guys, when you look at 4 sales per month and you look at 2 sales per month, it doesn't seem as daunting, right? You figure, you have 4 sales per month. If you're making $500 per sale, you only need 4 a month. That's only 1 sale per week that will get you to $2,000 per month. And if you're selling something where you're making $1,000, you only need 2 sales per month. So you have 30 whole days to get just 2 sales. It's absolutely doable, guys. It's absolutely doable. But you got to have all of those components in place in order for this to happen. So let's go ahead and look at something else while we're here. So again, we know that making the 2K per month is not that hard, right? We only need, 4 sales at 500, 2 sales at 1,000. So let's go ahead and recap, right? So we know that you need traffic. So traffic is something that you're going to need. And then you're going to need an opt-in page. So again, traffic is something that you're going to have to, learn and perfect. You want to try to pick a paid traffic strategy and a free traffic strategy and master it, right? The opt-in page, right? So with this, you can't just throw up any type of opt-in page. What you really want to be doing is you want to have an opt-in page that's going to convert at 30 to 40% opt-in. So that basically means that when you send 100 leads or 100 visitors to this page here, that 30 to 40 people will opt in. This is just going to increase your conversion rate on the back end when they're actually going over to the sales page. Now, the main thing that you want to know about the sales page is you want to be selling, what I call like a high converting product here. So this needs to be a high, I'm just going to put high HCP for high converting product, right? And that is where a lot of people fail at too. They get this wrong because they're selling something that isn't converting well. So when I say high converting product, these products are created by vendors that have been in the game for a while. They've been testing offers. They've made millions of dollars. They know all the sales tactics and all the psychological mumbo jumbo to get people to take action. These are the type products that you want to be selling. And if you really think about the big affiliate marketing products that are out there, the big business opportunities, you see the same faces all the time. And the reason why is because they've mastered the art of sales, right? So these guys, they know how to sell. So when you're taking your time to be doing this free traffic here and you're spending money doing paid traffic here, you want to make sure that all the traffic that you send to, this page here, right? So all the traffic that you send, all this traffic that you're sending to this page here, you're going to get as many opt-ins as possible, because the more eyeballs that you can get, through this funnel, the better, right? That's going to give you a better conversion rate on your sales page. So you have to know how to set up an opt-in page. And as a newbie, it's hard. There's technical challenges, but there's also conversion challenges, because you as a newbie, you may not know how to set up this page in a way that you're going to get the 30 or 40 people per month, right? So you need to know how to do that. And I suggest if you are brand spanking new and you're just starting out and you don't really have that experience, you tap into individuals that have the experience, that can give you the funnels, that can give you the opt-in pages, that can give you the systems to help you get to this point. Because why do you want to waste your time figuring all of this out when there's systems, where there's pages and there's businesses all done for you that you can jump into, so you can already, get this out of the way, get the 30 or 40 people, you're going to get those opt-ins. And then again, here on the sales page, you want to make sure that you're promoting something that, that is high quality, that has high demand, that gets people to take action. A good sales letter, a vendor that's reputable, that has made millions of dollars. And if you can send traffic, right? So if you can send traffic to an opt-in page, quality traffic, high converting opt-in page, high converting sales page, that's going to equal, change my pen here, that's going to equal your easy 2K per month. And I know that this was, a lot of chicken scratch here and it sounded somewhat elementary, but this is what the truth, right? So that's what you need to do. Like, you just need to do what's on the screen here. You need to, get high quality traffic. We talked about that. You need to send them to a high converting opt-in page, and then you need to send them to a high converting sales page. So this is what you guys need to do if you want to make an easy 2K per month. I actually will have some resources. I actually have some free training, some video training here at the bottom of the video in the description. You can get a free video course. Let me actually change that up a little bit. So below in the description of this video, there's a free video course that you guys can get access to. And it's going to help you understand and learn how you can actually get all of this stuff set up for you. How you learn how to get the traffic, how do you learn how to have the high converting pages and sales funnels, and how do you sell high converting products. It's all going to be in the description below. A free video course you can get access to right in the description. So I hope this made sense, guys. Hit the like button if this video resonated with you in any way, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.